What's up, traders? John Howell here. Hope you're doing well. Listen, I want to do this video today because, as you can see, I'm in the gym right now, just finishing off over half an hour worth of just little small, just light cardio. Yeah, today I've done pretty much an hour worth of cardio, but just light cardio today. This morning I did half an hour, 40 minutes walking on the treadmill, and then right now I've just done 35 minutes. So it'd be probably 40 minutes on the bike today. So anyway, the reason why I wanted to do this video today is because, firstly, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for all your comments on the videos in the past. Yeah, I really appreciate that. Secondly, I also wanted to say that I want to do this video right now so you can see me, right? Normally I'm behind the screen saying, do you know what time it is? Or bing bing bong bong ching 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 ching. So so that's basically why I'm doing this video. But I really want to do this video because it made me think about it. I was talking to one of my private clients today, and it just got me so mad because he came to me at the start of the year saying, John, I need your help. I need your help. I need your help. And I'm like, all right. So I tell him what to do, and he completely doesn't focus on what I'm telling him to do, and he goes focus on these cryptocurrency markets. And it's like, why are you doing that? Why are you focused on the cryptocurrency markets? Why are you focused on that? Why are you focused on the on those cryptocurrency markets? Why are you just focusing on what the system is, you know, the system itself, and that I'm teaching you that works? And what I do is, part of my private coaching is every single week I show them all the trades that I'm taking every week, and they see me majority of the weeks that I do well. And he's just, because he's not focused. He's not focused on what I'm teaching him. He's not moving forward. And even in his cryptocurrency trading, he's doing something which I keep telling him not to do. He's trading based on hope, based on what he thinks is a good idea. No, I know that, but he's based on what he thinks is going to make him the most money, right? And he's like, John, you know, the cryptocurrencies have pulled back, but they're going to go back up again. And when they do, I'm going to make all this money. That is the wrong way to go. He goes, John, I've done all my research, and you know, and this is a good company, and this is a good company, and I know this cryptocurrency is going to do well, and so I'm going to get into it, and you know, I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to invest in that. And firstly, what I said to him was, are you trading based on a system and approach that you trade in the markets, or based on what you think? Oh, no, it's not what I think. It's like, it's a really good idea. I've done my research, and then this. I'm like, so you're basically trading on someone else's opinion, which, that's useless, right? Absolutely useless. And I'm just like, and I got so cranky at it because I'm like, you came to me at the start of the year because you wanted to help me. You want me to help you. Throughout this whole year, I'm making money almost every single week, and I'm showing you what I'm doing, but yet you're not focused on what I'm doing. Therefore, you're not doing well, and now you focus on cryptos. Not only are you focused on cryptos, but now you're getting into something that you just think is a good idea. I said, what are you doing? Why did you pay or invest all this money into this course? Why did you invest all this money into this course when you just gotta go focus on something else? I don't get it. You invested a fair bit of money. And I'm like, and even when you are investing in the cryptos, I tell you what to focus on to make sure you're getting in at the right time. Not just because you think it's a good idea. And it just doesn't listen to me, just doesn't listen. And I'm like, man. And so I wanted this video for you that it's like, it's so important that we don't trade we don't place an investment position or a trading position based on think, hope, or someone else's barge-ass blog opinion, because none of that matters. My opinion doesn't matter. The only thing that does matter is how are you getting in and out of the market? What sort of plan are you using? Not, well, I'm using this plan for this trade, I'm using this plan for this trade, do this. No, it's called a win-loss ratio. Not every single trade is going to work out for you. How are you protecting that? You know what I mean? And it's just so like, and now, and you know what he said to me? He goes, John, I was up 15 times my money. Now I'm only up 300%. So probably 1,500. It was up 1,500% with his money. Now guess what? He's up 300%. But now he's saying he's investing more money into cryptos because he knows that these cryptocurrencies are good and they're good companies and blah 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 blah, and they're going to go back up and it's going to be really, really good. And I said to him, what if they don't? Well, they are, you know, it's just they are. It's like, okay. I said, dude, so you came to me at the start of the year. I gave him a good deal as well too into the private coaching. He literally cried on the phone because I was going to help him. Then every single week I've been showing him my system that I trade. I've been showing him all the trades I've been taking and making money in front of him. But then he just completely doesn't do anything with it. And then go focus on something else. And does things completely opposite that I told him to do. Not, don't trade based on what you think. Well, it's not what I think, I've done my research. What's research mean? Oh, you read a lot of articles on the internet about something, and because 1 or 2 or 3 articles made it sound really, really good, that's a good idea? What? No. I said, you are going to lose all your money. And I said, even if those articles were right, there's really simple things that are on the chart. They're going to tell you whether it's a good trade or not, or whether it's a good time to get in. Even if you're investing in the markets for long term, you should have some sort of a plan. Because if you get in for a long term, and it's like investing in the stock market long term right now, it may or may not be a good idea. But you still need to have a point of where you're going to get out of that investment if it gets to a certain point for a loss. Also, how much is that loss? Because no one really knows. You know what I mean? Like, no one really knows. That's not, even in, like I said, that's called investing. Even in investing, no one really knows. So, and that's the problem with Bitcoin. People are throwing all their money back in Bitcoin, and even though I tell them not to do these things, and it just drives me crazy because now it's been a good couple of months of this guy being part of my coaching program, and he's like, oh John, I just have problems finding the trades. I'm not sure what trades they are. And then long and behold, I find out that he's not even focusing most of the time on what I'm teaching, and now he's wondering why he's not making the progress for the investment that he actually put into the coaching program. It's like, what the fuck are you doing? Seriously. And this is the problem with so many people out there. This is a problem that I had in the past as well too. It's one of the reasons why I'm making so much progress this year in the last couple of years, more than any other year possible, because I'm really honing my focus down on bam, 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 bam. You know what I mean? Like really focusing on one thing. Options trading, good trading setups. Bam. You know what I mean? That's all. You only need one thing. But people are still looking for that thing that's going to make them the most money. Guess what? If you ever place a trade based on what you think is going to make you the most money, it's going to lose you the most money. I guarantee it happens every single time. So please don't place a trade based on even what I say in a video. Do your own research. Have your own plan of getting into these trades. If you're an investor in the cryptos, and that's what you do, have some sort of chart pattern on there, on a weekly chart. It's like, I'm getting in here, but if it drops, I'm buying this crypto here, but if it drops down to here, I'm going to get out, and I'm going to place that exact same trade. I'm going to have at least 3 times my profit target than my one stop, and and even if 50% of them work out and 50% don't, I'm going to do well. Or even if 40 or even if 30% of them, even if 30% of the trades work out and 70% don't, you're still going to do well. You know what I mean? Like, set the game up to win. You don't know what's going to work out, and that is the biggest thing out there, is people think they definitely know what's going to happen, and it's just not a good idea. So anyway guys, let me know what you think about this, because I'm not having a go at crypto. It's the way people approach the market, the reason why they lose money. And I'm good at this in the past as well too. That's why I do this video, because I care about you and I really want you to do well. So let me know what you think.